Amiga, let's have some lunch. I have some huevitos with lemon pepper, lime. Oh my god, I'm salivating. Cebolla, aguacate, and then some refried beans with chicharron and some habanero salsa. Let's actually. All of that from Vallarta, by the way. Okay. I don't have serranos for this, but I do have my trusty dusty buldak sauce. So we're just gonna. Oh my goodness. Cheers, girly pop. The perfect freaking jammy egg. Just so yummy. Yum. This salsa is so good. Yummy. This huevito is like completely falling apart. Cebolla. This is hitting so good, girl. You don't even understand. And it's like exactly what I was freaking craving. I wanted beans and soft boiled eggs and cebolla and spicy.